Fairfax Connector came together on September 29, 1985. We started with 33 buses and just 10 routes. I've been here for 30 years and I've seen a lot of changes. Connector serves virtually every corner of Fairfax County today. We have 300 buses and 84 routes. We employ 500 bus operators. More than 33,000 people ride our buses daily, about 10 million people each year. Fairfax Connector has had enormous success and growth over the years. It's about people. It's all about the customer. Every day we wake up and get to work to serve the community. We connect with our customers every day. From the team members who keep the buses clean, to the men and women who keep the buses running. To our friendly operators who are focused on safety and taking care of our customers every single day. Our goal is to get people where they want to go safely and efficiently. We connect people to their work, home, and family. We connect them to their life. Each weekday, more than 33,000 people ride the Fairfax Connector. With service throughout Fairfax County, increased frequency, all-day service, and new technologies on the horizon that will make it easier than ever to ride Fairfax Connector. There's never been a better time to be a Fairfax Connector customer. Where will you go today?